Okay, so good morning. Black coffee, and I'm watching some in the vein right now.
You should slide through and get your back,
Damn,
bro. Used to be involved with me with no
I don't know how
emotion. I was on the way to the next show.
Yeah, so welcome to the new video. And I was watching this Nirvana Purani YTs, and there's this video like if you watch Nirvana, if you follow him, and I felt like I genuinely love that content, that rawness of it, like that unscripted way of content. And वो चीज़ निर्वीन पुरानी वीडियोस में like बहुत clearly दिखती है if you watch those videos. And I really get inspired from those like I also want to make that type of content, but it's like it does feel performative to shoot and to show that lifestyle, because that's not me, that's not my life, like वो habit में नहीं है, to be honest. So yeah, but and last I posted the June diary 10 days ago, like what 7 like 7th of July, and I didn't really shoot anything, to be honest. अभी जुलाई के starting में, because there's some shit going on, and to be honest, it really feels alien, It really does feel like it. But I want to change that. I really want to change that, and I also want to build this habit of like talking to the camera and talking to the audience directly, because to be honest, I'm a new creator, I'm a new content creator. It's not easy. It's not easy, right? And the more I watch his old videos, the other content creators, it's really not that. Like, it's not really something rocket science. You just have to show up. You just have to fucking show up. So like, wake up, pick up your camera, hit the record button, and just fucking start speaking. And to be honest, like, and I found a hack, like not a hack, to be honest, but it's like you shoot videos randomly, you record your reactions basically, or like on anything, like you're doing something, you're playing games, or like you're out with your friends, like pick up the fucking camera, hey, record this shit, get used to that shit, get used to be in front of the camera, so it makes easy, be not camera shy, and honestly record yourself, and when you're alone, because when you're alone, it's so easy when you're alone, no one is there, and it's so easy and better to shoot when you're with yourself, when you're alone, because like there's no one watching you, there's no one judging you unless you judge yourself, and don't do that, and trust me, don't do that, right? That shit sucks. It sucks बहुत जोर से, and it's just भाई हमारा self confidence गिराती है भाई, और कुछ नहीं, and that's it. And yeah, I was just watching Nirvana का new वाला video, watching the videos, and I felt like I also want to fucking make it. I also want to fucking make that shit, and I also want to be in front of the camera, be like this, telling you all of this and shit, making like what's the plan of the day, what I'm shooting, what uh, what I'm up to basically. Then I realized something. Here's my phone. Here's my phone. Here's me. And what else do I need? What? To be honest, what else do I need? Like come on. That's all. That's all you fucking need. And I genuinely want the fucking camera. Like, I love cameras. If you are watching this, and if you know me personally, I love cameras, and I actually want camera. And it's it. And when you have the camera, it makes it so much easier to record, I guess. But I really want to shoot with camera, and all the gears, and with the wide lens I have in my bucket list. But yeah, and until then, we're good with the phone's camera. Yeah. So, and I posted that June diary, bro. It was so fucking good, bro. It took me, bro, like, and it took me like what 5 fucking hours to edit that. I know that's not very impressive, of course, because like I am just started editing. I just started editing, and actually my speed was low. I don't have the keybinds for it, and so it really takes time. And abhi I am I am trying to get the habit of editing like regularly. So you know, उससे speed भी बढ़ती है, you get to know new things, you get to connect with the AI apps that help you in edit and all. So yeah, and also I have shifted from DaVinci. Sorry, I'm from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Pro. It's so good, it's so fucking good. Trust me. Like, damn, like, bro, it's so efficient and Adobe के fuck up सबको मालूम है भाई. To be honest, Adobe sucks. And सबको मालूम है भाई. Okay, and DaVinci is so भाई, is you know is like so system friendly. भाई like मेरे laptop the Lock i5 HX 4050 and like it Adobe runs perfectly, but you know DaVinci like बहुत smooth चलता है and it really reflects in your editing. And yeah, so it's like just talking about the June diaries, okay. And मैंने उसका एक छोटा version edit करके मेरी Insta पे डाला था, and the response was like good, like I will not say very good because it's like and I have been putting shit on YouTube, but for Insta I don't really put like documenting my life type shit on that. So yeah, for my IG it was a little bit new thing I will say, but yeah. So yeah, today's plans is like I have to shoot the video. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I have to shoot that. I don't know how I will shoot that. I just have my phone, and I don't even have the fucking light, bro. Like, जो proper light होती है ना for shoots, I don't even have that. And I'm shooting this video because it's like it's currently what? Yeah, it's currently 12:30, and मेरे रूम में नेचुरल लाइट आ रही है. वरना मैं ये भी नहीं शूट कर पाता हूँ उस टाइम. वरना आई कांट इवन शूट दिस भाई. एंड भाई प्लीज डोंट माइंड दिस, ओके. वो कुछ लग गया था, मैं कुछ काम कर रहा था, कुछ लग गया. I have to go to my part. Looks better. Okay, so the shoot is complete. भाई इतनी गर्मी में मैं ये पहनी थी. This is fucking leather, bro. And yeah, now and I have to shoot one more week, but I don't know how to shoot that. I don't know how I will do that because that's it's kind of fashion related reel, and I haven't shoot like that type of content much, you know. No. And I also have a crazy idea for new art book. I will probably just make it today and maybe yeah post it today only, yeah. And yeah, let's get to work.
But guess what?
Life ain't fair, and I don't care if I fuck up your happy home. Say you wanna be close.
Okay, so I made three ideations of what I was making. So here it is. First one, second one, and third one.